Okay, students, it is time for Art with Deborah. So today we're going to be making these really cool projects that are going to be like dog superheroes, because we're learning about dog superheroes this week, so you get to make your own. So I hope you've had a great week. I hope you have enjoyed the story about the superhero dogs. Now let's make our own. So I need you to reach into your art box and take out art project number 3. So pull out your baggie that has a 3 on it. Okay. Once you find that weird hair sticking out strange places. Okay. Once you get that one, get your art supply bag. And in your art supply bag, you'll be taking out 1 glue stick. And you can take out your felt pens. And you can take out your crayons. And that's all we need. You can, this project, I'm going to let you choose whether you want to use crayons or felt pens. You can decorate it any way you want to. So let's open our bags. In your bag, you're going to find a toilet paper roll, a pack of stickers. I know we all love our stickers. Our superhero cape that we're going to put on. And I gave you 2 superhero dog heads. So our heads are going to go on here like this. So you can choose which dog you like the best to be your superhero. So why don't you make a choice, pick one of your dog heads, and that'll be the one that you're going to color. We also have 1, 2 legs. These will go on the front of our dog. He'll get some legs on our superhero dog. And you'll see that as we put them together. Okay, and I'm trying to get my eyeballs out of here. Okay. And I have a pair of googly eyes for mine. Some of you have googly eyes in your pack. Some of you have eyeball stickers, and they're really fun also. So we'll go ahead and take those out. Okay, so to start with, actually, I should wait a minute. You might still be finding your items. So those of you who have already got all your items out, you can take your cape. This is your superhero cape. And you can take your stickers and decorate your cape. So I'm going to decorate my cape. And those of you, once you find everything you like, go ahead and decorate your capes. I found some really fun. I found a football. That was our last project. Fun. So I got a football on mine. What other cool things can I put on my superhero cape? Okay. You see, I didn't use all my stickers. You don't have to use them all, just whichever stickers you like best. So here's my cape. I put those ones on. So now I'm going to get my glue stick. I'm going to rub glue on the back of my cape, not the side with the stickers. I'm going to put glue on the back. I'm going to rub it all the way out onto the tips because I really want it to stick on here good. So I'm going to put the bottom part of my cape on there. And then I'm going to wrap my cape, wrapping my cape all the way around. So now my dog has his cape on. Here's the back of his cape. And here's the front of his cape where it's attached. Now we are ready to pick a head and color it. So if you're still working on your cape, go right ahead. Continue with your cape stickers and fastening it on with your glue stick. And while you're doing that, I'm going to color my dog head. And I'm also going to color my dog's legs. Now you can use your felt pens or your crayons, or if you like your dog to be white, you don't have to color it at all. I just wanted to put color in mine. I thought that would be fun. I'm doing mine brown because I like brown dogs, but you could do a yellow dog or a red dog or a blue dog. He's your superhero. He can be whatever color dog you like. He could have 2 different colored legs and a different colored head. However you want your superhero dog to look. Another good thing about videos, if I get too far ahead of you, your helper can pause the video while you finish doing your project and then push play again when you get ready to do the next part. So now I'm going to color my dog's head. I picked the little dog who has a mask. So I gave him brown ears, and now I want to give him a red mask. Okay, so my dog has a white face. He has brown ears, and he has some brown legs. Now I am going to glue his eyes on his mask so you can see his eyeballs. So let me get that on there. So those of you that have the googly eyes, you can use your glue stick. And those of you that have the eyeballs that are stickers, you can just peel them off and stick them right on. There we go. My lid back on. So look, here's my superhero dog's head, and he's got his mask on. So now I'm going to take my dog body with the cape, and this is the front. So I'm going to put my dog head right here on the front of his cape. So I'm going to get some glue and I'm going to put it on here. So let me rub some more glue on. My cape could use a little drop more. So I make some glue on here in the front where I'm going to stick my dog head. Okay, let's see how that does. So here's the front with the glue. Here's my dog head. I think I need a little more glue. If you decide you don't have enough glue, you can always put more on. I'm just going to hold his face on there for a minute because I want it to stick. So I put my glue on and I'm just holding his cheeks down till it kind of dries on there a little bit so his cheeks don't, so his face stays on nice. There we go. There's my superhero dog. There's his face, and here's his cape that I decorated. Now I'm going to glue his legs on. So I put my glue on my legs, but I'm kind of squishing them on there because they're kind of not staying put like I want them to. All right. Put my lid back on my glue now that I'm done. So here's my superhero dog with his little Google eyes and his legs and his cape. And you know what's fun about your superhero dog? You can put him right here on your table and he'll sit right there for you, which is really nice. So you can sit him on a nightstand or on an end table, on your kitchen table or counter, and he'll sit there and you'll have your own superhero. If you're not done, just keep working on it and it'll be fun. You have some extra stickers. You have an extra dog head. So if you want to glue it on a piece of paper and draw a body on it with your felt markers, you can. Decorate it with stickers, whatever you want to do. I might, let me see. Maybe I'll put a sticker on my dog's leg. It could be like a superhero Band-Aid. Maybe he was out there doing superhero stuff and he cut his leg, so he needed a superhero Band-Aid. All right. I hope you guys had fun making your superhero dogs today. And I hope you have a good rest of your day. Until next time, bye.